Hey guys, welcome back to Love Truck Garage. Today we're going to solve the problem that's kept my project from getting done. Back in March when I pulled the engine, I noticed a few marks on the top of the transmission case. I diagnosed that it was my shifter cable being routed wrong when I put the engine in back in 2018. So I didn't really worry about it. I made clearance for my flexible dipstick and went ahead and put the engine back in. Once the engine was bolted back in, I wanted to make sure I had plenty of room at the top of the transmission case. That's the flap of a 12-pack box, and man, there's just no clearance there. In 2018, when I pulled the old motor out, I never looked at the old trans mount. I probably should have, but I just put in a stock one and didn't think about it again. Last December, when I was working on the pinion ankle, I found the transmission was pointed up 4 degrees. So after quite a bit of research, I found this low-profile rear trans mount that's about 3/4 of an inch shorter than the factory one. Clearly, I'm not the only one to ever have a problem like this. Not only will it lower the rear trans mount 3/4 of an inch, but it should give me the tonal clearance I need in the front. I found this part on eBay, and it's a really nice high-quality billet aluminum piece. It was a gamble I had to take, and well worth the $35 for the part. Let's get it in there for a test fit and see how she does. On a side note, this fast pump 3-ton floor jack from Harbor Freight has been a piece of crap since day one. I've bled it 3 times, filled it with oil, and it just leaks down, will not keep the truck up in the air. Well, here we go. Let's see how we did. Looks pretty good so far. That's a lot more room. Let's try a flap off a cardboard box. Hey, look at that. It goes right in. I'm going to call that a win. So back underneath, we're going to put some anti-seize on the bolts and tighten everything down, and then let's get that drive shaft put back in. Alright, drive shaft's in, U-bolts are tight, slipped right into place. Making some real progress today. Let's check our pinion angle as long as we're under here. The trans is now pointed down 1 degree. The drive shaft looks to be 5.5 to 6 degrees pointed down. The third member looks to be about 1/2 degree off the zero. These are great numbers. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up. If you're still watching, I appreciate it, and the love will be back on the road soon. A big thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.